Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the OnePlus 9R 5G. So as you can see, the phone comes in a red bright box. 9R mentioned on the front and OnePlus 9R 5G mentioned on the side. Let's open the box. First, we have the phone OnePlus 9R 5G. OnePlus 9R comes with an impressive quad camera setup with a 48 megapixel wide angle primary sensor. You can also see OnePlus logo at the back of the phone. The phone looks premium in this lake blue color. Next we have this box. In this we have a SIM ejector tool, documentation like quick start guide, safety information guide, SAR value information, red cable club card and OnePlus stickers. Here is a transparent back cover which will protect your phone. Next is a USB Type-C cable for charging and transferring the data. Here is a 2-pin wall charger that supports 65 watts of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the OnePlus 9R 5G box. Thank you so much for watching this video.